Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to make your mic sound like trash. Make sure to watch until the very end to make sure you don't miss out on any of the important steps. Alright, let's begin. For this, it's recommended to have an old Logitech camera. It's not really necessary, but if you have one, it can make the audio sound even more distorted. The first step is to search for run here. Then, in the run prompt, search for control. Here, select hardware and sound, then go to sound. A pop-up will appear. In this pop-up, go to recording. And here, all your microphones should appear. As I mentioned before, if you have the camera mic, that's better. But either way, if you don't have the camera mic, do the following. Double-click on your microphone, and then in this pop-up, go to levels and turn it up to 100. If another option appears below, you should turn that up to 100 or maximum as well. Now go to advanced. Here, choose the one with the lowest hertz, the worst quality possible. In my case, it's this one. Then click apply. If you have the camera mic, you'll do the exact same thing. And that's it. If you're going to use it on Discord, make sure to turn off noise suppression, which is in settings, then voice and video. And that's it, you are done.